I say. I need my hat, bro. So what's going on, you guys? Welcome back to another video. For my people that are coming back, welcome back. For my new people that are joining in, welcome to my channel. This is my channel, and let's get straight to the video. What's up, Tyson? What's up, Tyson? Hey, come here. Hey. Oh, hell.
Not a game, it's a rich thing.
What makes this so cool is that it literally has everything that you need in sockets. It has T-bits, Allen keys, and extra space, other tools that you might have. And that's pretty much it. By the way, this video is not sponsored by Heart. Everything in this video that is going to be shown, everything that I've bought with my own money, none of this is sponsored. Get a Mini, they said, to take out the seat. It's a T40. Onto the back seat. If I want to get into that, I am going to have to disconnect the battery. Make sure you tuck that in somewhere so it's not in contact with any of the terminals. That's the easiest way to get an airbag light, so just be careful. Make sure you disconnect your battery, and you want to be super careful taking off your seats, because taking out a seat is pretty straightforward. 4 T40 screws, 2 in the front, 2 in the back on each side. So over here, this is the real fun part. So forklifts, be very gentle taking them out. Do not break them. There is a lot of nasty dog hair and other dirts and stuff. It's disgusting. Let's get this thing cleaned up.